Hi everyone, this video is going to show you how to schedule a meeting inside your Zoom software so that you can prepare your meetings in advance. Once you've scheduled your meeting, I'm also going to show you how to find the link that you can share with your members who you want to host the meeting with.
Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we want to go into our account, because that way you can actually schedule a meeting. So if you wanted to schedule a meeting so that you could set up some one-to-ones online, or you wanted to set up a meeting with more than one person, you just go ahead and click schedule a meeting. Then we're going to do, so we're just going to do schedule Zoom call. So this is where you would put your title. Then all you have to do is set the date. So you can just click the date calendar. Let's just do one for tomorrow. And then you set the time. So let's do one for 2:30. You set the duration. Now, if you're not on the free plan, you can have an unlimited duration. If you're on the free plan, you can have up to 40 minutes. If you're a classroom or a school, I believe Zoom have lifted this for the time being, and you can have unlimited time as well. If you want people to register for your event, so if you want people to register for this call, you can click required. Otherwise, don't worry about registering. You can use your personal meeting ID, which is what I use a lot, or you can ask for Zoom to generate a key automatically. You can set so you have your host video on or your participants video on. Have this set so that people can join from both their telephone or their audio. Sometimes people join you from their mobile. Click enable join before host. That means that people can join your meeting before you join. If you do that, I would encourage you to add enable waiting room. That means that they'll sit in the waiting room. It gives them a chance to check that their camera and their audio is working okay. You can have that you mute your participants upon entry. I don't tend to do that very often anymore, but you can have that set if you like. Then you can also do record the meeting. So if you are doing some one-to-ones and you know you want to record it, then you can click record meeting, and then you can do that either on your own computer or in the cloud. Then all it's left to do is to click save. Once the scheduled meeting has been scheduled, you can copy the URL here if you wish and send it to the participant either by messenger or by email, or you can copy the entire invite, which basically says that you have invited them, and it gives them all the instructions to your clipboard to paste into your email. Okay. Let's go back to StreamYard and see. So that's how you schedule a meeting using your Zoom software. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to host a meeting without scheduling it, and then where to copy the URL so that you can share it with the participants.